Hey everyone, it's Sarah here, your friendly host from Health and Wellness 101. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you've been following me since my Healthy Hair 101 days, thank you for sticking around on this new journey with me. Today, I want to talk about something that affects every single one of us, something that we often overlook but is absolutely crucial for our overall health: hydration. Now, I know what you're thinking. Sarah, water? Really? That's not exciting. But trust me, this is a topic that deserves our attention. Did you know that our bodies need up to 3.5 liters of water just to replace what we lose through basic metabolism? That's a lot of water. And here's the thing, most of us are not even coming close to meeting that requirement. We're walking around in a constant state of dehydration without even realizing it. Think about it. How many times have you felt tired, sluggish, or had a headache, only to realize that you haven't had a sip of water all day? Our bodies are made up of about 60% water, and every single cell in our body relies on it to function properly. So when we don't give our bodies the hydration it needs, we're essentially depriving ourselves of optimal health. Dehydration can manifest in so many ways, from dry skin and brittle hair to digestive issues, and even impaired cognitive function. And let's not forget about the impact it has on our energy levels. If you're constantly feeling tired, it might not be because you're not getting enough sleep, but rather because you're not giving your body the water it needs to thrive. So what can we do to ensure we're staying properly hydrated? Well, the obvious answer is to drink more water. But I get it. Sometimes plain water can be boring. That's why I always recommend infusing your water with fruits, herbs, or even a splash of natural juice to make it more enjoyable. And if you're not a fan of drinking water, you can also increase your water intake through foods that have a high water content like cucumbers, watermelon, and celery. But here's the thing, it's not just about drinking water when you're thirsty. By the time you feel thirsty, your body is already dehydrated. So, make it a habit to drink water throughout the day, even if you don't feel thirsty. Set reminders on your phone, carry a water bottle with you wherever you go. Do whatever it takes to make hydration a priority. Remember, our bodies are incredible machines that rely on water to function optimally. So let's give them the love and care they deserve by staying properly hydrated. And that's a wrap for today's video. If you found this information helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to Health and Wellness 101 for more tips on living a healthy and balanced life. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.